So here we are beginning with preparation of phenol. The very first method, that is chlorobenzene plus NaOH. You will get I-733 Kelvin temperature, 300 atmospheric pressure. Then sodium salt will form. Hydrolysis in presence of HCl, there will be formation of benzene. Next, from cumene. Cumene is isopropyl benzene. It is treated with oxygen. There will be formation of cumene peroxide. Now it will give this compound separate, CH3 C double bond OCH3, and benzene will be separated. So again you have to revise this preparation method in the next chapter, as it is preparing acetone also. Okay, so this compound phenol will form by cumene. Suppose benzene diazonium salt you have. Then there will be formation of, suppose you are taking alcohol, then there will be formation of phenol. Or water, in the presence of water there is formation of. Now amine, aniline. Aniline you have NaNO2 not 0 degree centigrade at room temperature. Or you can say on heating. There will be formation of nitrogen and water. Okay, that is sufficient. Liberation of nitrogen. And the same compound, when treated with 0 degree centigrade temperature, then there will be formation of this compound. Next in the row, benzene sulfonic acid, or from benzene, oleum. There will be formation of benzene sulfonic acid. As it is acid, it will be treated with base. There will be formation of phenol. If I am giving summary of formation of phenol, then the very first method, cumene, then you can say by halobenzene. Third method, by using benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, and fourth one was with N2 plus and Cl minus. These are the various preparation method of formation of benzene. Now properties. In the Preparation method, first we will read boiling point. No need to tell that as molar masses increases, boiling point increases. Means as longer as the carbon chain, then boiling point will be higher. The second point here, that hydrogen bonding is present. This is alcohol. Phenol, suppose you are taking. Then also point to be noted when you are drawing hydrogen bonding, oxygen attached with hydrogen bonding, and this is the real covalent bond of alcohol. Draw the correct structure. So these are the resonating structure of phenol, and sorry, not resonating. These are the hydrogen bonded structure of alcohol and phenol. So boiling point will be higher as compared to the respective alkenes or alkynes or alkanes or ether even. Though ether and alcohol are isomers. For example, C2H5OH and CH3OCH3. Both are isomers, but boiling point of alcohol is higher as compared to ether, though both have same molar masses. Now after boiling point you will reach solubility. Solubility in water. In water, lower alcohol will prepare hydrogen bonding. How? This is the alcohol molecule. Now I am using water molecule HOH. Again HOR means alcohol and water fully miscible. Lower molecular masses alcohols are completely miscible. Phenol is also soluble. Instead of R you have to write C6H5OH. So it is also soluble in water. Thank you.